Hello everyone, so this time I'm going to give a tutorial. How to efficiently clean hidden junk files in Windows 10. Skip to the tutorial. First of all, you guys need to press it. Press R on the keyboard. Here you simply need to type TMP abbreviation. Just go straight to the main point here, okay? Here there will be a lot of trash folders that you can delete. You just need to press it. Select all. Keep deleting. Just continue straight ahead for a bit. Next, let's go to Windows and press R again. Just choose here.